Right, so in today's lesson, we only going to focus on mini roundabouts, mainly going ahead or the left turning.
Yeah.
Okay. Any problem with that?
No.
No. Now we did do the major roundabouts on the last week. We focused on going ahead and left turning. Now, if you look at this picture over here, if you're driving this white car here, how many roundabouts is there for you?
2.
Now, when you're driving normally like this, how can you tell early that is a mini roundabout coming up?
Signs.
Okay, what type of sign are we talking about? Tell me.
The blue sign here, this one, and also the hazard and the give way line.
Yeah.
And the circle thing.
Well done. Because sometimes if you don't see this sign, there will be give way line painted on the floor.
Yep, and also the middle markings.
Sometimes you might have got the middle marking, not all the time, but sometimes they do.
Yeah.
Now, let's purely focus on the mini one, because I know you did major, but I want to go through with this one. Now, let's imagine focus on this roundabout only for 1 minute. Forget about this one though, yeah? So you are driving this car here. Now, if you look in this roundabout, if you're driving this car, how many exits there for the white car?
3.
Where is the first one?
Here.
Yeah, second and third?
Third is, oh no, there isn't a third.
There is.
There is. Yeah, 3, yeah.
Where is the third one?
This one.
Correct, because you can always go around the roundabout.
Yeah.
Because what did we say last time? When we did a major roundabout, we always count the
This
road
one,
coming back as well. So, exit number
1, 2,
and then go around the roundabout.
3.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
Any confusion?
Nope.
Now, the difference we talked about last time, if you look over here, this car is indicating, means it's going is right.
We have to give way.
Okay, and this car indicating is going there.
They'll have to give
This
way
car
towards-
is not indicating.
They're going straight.
Correct. So on the mini roundabouts, when you pass here, because normally on a major roundabout, what do we do over here?
We indicate.
We check our
Left mirror.
center and the left mirror and then indicate. But mini one, we don't do that.
No, you just go straight, don't you?
Yeah. Why is that we don't indicate?
Because we can't. It's just
We
straight
can,
ahead.
but we don't. But there's a reason for that. Even the roundabout, major roundabout, we're going straight, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why do you think we don't indicate? How would that benefit you? Anything? Any idea?
So they know what position you're in.
Okay, so maybe they know you're going straight, but it's the same with a major roundabout.
Yeah.
Any other? Can you think of a safety point of view? Any other reason can you think of?
Pedestrians, bikes.
Okay. Any other reason?
No, at all.
Now, because the space, do we have got a big space or small space over here?
Small, well.
A small space. If you're gonna start doing multitasking over there too much, what may happen to?
You might go to the.
So you may lose your
What's it called? Eye contact.
controlling as well.
Yeah.
Because you lose your control. So what do we do on a mini roundabout when we're going straight ahead? We do not signal.
No, so we don't need to. We just need to check the mirrors
Yeah.
for speed.
Yeah.
Because obviously, once you pass that bit, and there's a few others, and obviously, if you're caught, they give way to us, we give the way to them. So once they've passed, we can carry on.
Well done. So always approaching what speed of the roundabout?
15
or less. Yeah. How would that benefit you by approaching slowly?
So then we can see the road users which way they're turning, because obviously sometimes people don't indicate and you need to look at the position of the car.
Yeah.
So you need to plan ahead, so it's slower the more, so you can plan what's going on.
Yeah. And also, what is the purpose for the roundabouts?
You've asked me a few questions on
I
that
did
one.
ask you the question last time as well, isn't it?
Yeah, I forgot those.
Okay. Ask yourself this question: why they put roundabout instead of traffic lights?
Is it because it's major junctions? Because there's this one, because you're on a big street, obviously, and then you've got a junction here, and then you've got another junction on the other side.
Well, it's same like a traffic light. They go junction as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Maybe to... I don't know.
So, is also the roundabouts, because maybe the risk may be slightly lesser, or maybe that they have done their risk management and they felt that putting a roundabout is beneficial, because the benefit of the roundabout is that if they got a roundabout there, so if you're approaching
Yeah.
And if nobody's coming to your right, do we have to stop or should we continue?
If no one were coming here, you can continue.
We continue. But if they put the traffic light here, and traffic light goes red even though nobody's coming, so we're wasting our time.
Yeah.
So the benefit of the roundabout is the traffic flow continue
Yeah.
going. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're going straight and this car is signaling coming here. What do?
We give way.
We give it to that car. If that car is not indicating going straight,
We can carry on.
and what about this car who's coming out? What would that car do?
They'll have to give way to us because we're on the right shoulder.
Good. And this roundabout, when you're driving this car, this roundabout only, for this white car, is it classified as an open or closed view junction?
Closed.
Why do you think it's a closed?
Because look at the give way line to the curb. Actually, no, because it's a pavement. I thought it would be a bush or something. But some of them, that's an open one. But some
Why
of
do you think it's open then?
because obviously the grass is here.
No, you're looking on the wrong side. You need to ask yourself, when we approach the roundabout,
Yeah.
what are the rules? Who do we give way to? Traffic on your...
Right.
Is there any road on the right?
No.
There is no road. So
no.
where you're looking then?
Straight
There.
ahead.
That means
Yeah.
this is the open
Yeah.
view roundabout.
Yeah.
Because when we're approaching, we're going to be looking at them, correct?
Yeah.
They're going to be looking at them and they're going to be looking at us. So that means they should be giving us the way.
Yeah.
But if I talk about this roundabout for a minute, and if I put a thumb, this is my building, so this thumb is a building,
Yeah.
and this is your car now. So there's a road here and there's a building here, a wall there. So now for the learner car, is this an open or closed view now?
Closed.
Yes.
Ah.
But if I move this thumb and you can clearly see all the way there now,
Yeah.
open or close?
Open.
Open view now. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Obviously, as we approaching, and if one car going straight quite fast, and this car indicating coming quite fast to go there, would you risk it or would you wait?
I would have wait.
Would wait as well. And obviously, when we passing, what other type of road users you have to worry about?
Bikers.
Or
Pedestrians, sorry.
yeah, cyclists, anybody like that.
Yeah.
Maybe people are crossing, whatever though, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, is there any problem, any question on this one?
Nope.
Now this one, we're not going to be doing the right turning, but just while we're here, quickly talk about this. So if you are going right here, and this car is going straight, so there's nobody coming from your right,
Yeah.
would you gonna turn right first, or would you allow this car to go first?
You should be going first.
Well done, Melissa. Well, why would you be going first?
Because we're passing into his path.
Yeah, or you could say that this is the danger zone. So if you're going to their danger zone, they would give you the way. Like this red car coming into our danger zone,
Yeah.
so we would have to give it to them. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
And also here, if you're going straight, so my instruction will be cross the roundabout ahead, second exit.
Yeah.
What would be my instructions here?
That'd be second exit.
No, if you're going straight, sorry.
Oh, straight, it's nothing.
No, there will be. So cross the roundabout
Just
ahead,
cross.
first exit.
Right.
Because there is no road on the left.
Yeah, true.
So it's very important we have to listen to that as well. Any questions, any problem on this so far?
Nope.
If any car coming from here and you are going straight or right and that car is not indicating, what do we do?
We give way.
Yes,
Just
because
in case,
yeah.
right?
And also finally, we know about the blockers, don't we? So
Yeah.
if you are going straight
Yeah.
and there's a car here who's not giving an indicator,
And he's turning left.
well, this car could be going anywhere, but there might be few cars are going straight. What do we call those cars?
A blocker.
Blocker. So that cars will be blocking
Their view. Well,
not only view, blocking them emerge.
Emerging
So
out.
what do we do then?
Go straight.
We can go, because those cars blocking, remember on the mini roundabout, if they're not indicating where they're going,
Straight ahead.
unless look out their body
Behaviour.
or their tires positioning, isn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah, that's why. So do look out for the blockers as well. Any problem, any questions?
Nope.
No.
I think
Okay.
I got it.
All right, let's do that.